Alex right here's got a need for the burp.
Yeah.
Nothing yet.
I was not about to do something new. Yeah, look what I have right now.
Oh, you're checking your synergy.
Yeah. I think I don't even have any homework.
Oh, is that so?
Since I already did it all. Yeah, I have a quiz for math, which is next week. Ooh. But first, I have to take a selfie. Okay. I thought you were going to do what you did. Oh no.
It's coming. I know it is.
It's coming. I can feel it.
Ah! That one seemed a bit small.
Yeah, do a big one like what you did.
He'll try. He'll try. Oh! There it is. That is going on YouTube.
That was shit.
That's going on YouTube.
That's what I meant to say
Oh.
That was really funny.
It's always funny.